Hi guys, let's solve this problem. Given input array which is nested arrays inside array. So we have to flat this array and get the output looks like this. So we'll use a technique called recursion. Recursion is a problem solving technique in programming, and so we'll declare a variable called array and assign this value. So we'll declare a function also. So this function will return the flat array. So let's declare a new array which is an empty array and return that new array. So let's call this flat array function and get the result returned. So here we are passing argument, so that argument we are accepting as a parameter. So we'll write one recursive function. So this function accepts that array and will trigger this recursive function here immediately. So when we pass this array, so it is accepted here and we will call this recursive function. So this recursive function will loop through this array first. So let's write a for loop. Let I index I is equal to 0, and we'll write a condition that loops through this array length and increment the index. So it loops through the length of this array, and inside this loop we'll write a if statement. So this if statement will check whether the element is array or not. So we'll pass the index, array of index, and if that element is array, then we'll call the recursive function passing that element at that array of index. Else we will push that element to this new array. So in this way we can write a recursive function. So recursion is a problem solving technique, like the function that calls itself. So we wrote this function recursive. So this function is calling itself inside the body of this function. So let's console log the result and execute this function or this program. Okay. Yeah, we got the output flat array. Thank you for watching.